Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing my everyday makeup look, and this is basically my everyday makeup look. I know it looks a little bit like the orange look that I did not too long ago, but it's not the same. It's not, I promise. It's not. But yeah, I just decided, I need to record a video for next week, which you guys will be seeing. Whatever. So I record my videos a week before and then I upload them a week after, so whatever. You know what I mean. And I hadn't done a video and I was kind of running out of ideas, but I think this weekend I'm also going to record a cute summer outfits video. Hopefully. I am really excited about it. I've been wanting to do this since like freaking the beginning of the year, but I just don't have anybody to record me, and just stuff always comes up. This weather, the only time that I have free time is during the weekends, and the weekends, oh my god, the weather has been so suckish that it's just pissed me off. But finally the weather this weekend is going to be perfect, you guys, perfect, like bomb.com. And so I'm going to be doing some videos for you guys. So yeah, back to the topic. If you guys want to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. So I've moisturized my face, I've primed my face, and I've also done my eyebrows, and now we're going to start on our foundation. For today's foundation, we're going to be using the Matte and Poreless Foundation in color 320, which is tan bronze natural tan bronze. I don't know. Something like that. But it's the color 320. And I'm just going to apply that all over my face. Okay, for concealer, I'm going to be using the Pro Conceal from LA Girl, and this is in color Natural. So once I have put the concealer on my face and I've blended it out, I like to set my face with the Laura Mercier A setting powder. We'll be using a buffing brush from Real Techniques. So to bronze my face, I use the the Hoola from Benefit bronzer, and I'm okay, for blush, I love my favorite at the time is this blush from the BH Cosmetic Blush Neutral palette. It's a 26 eye color eyeshadow and blush palette, and it's this one right here. It is OMG super cute. It's just the perfect shade that I like, and I'm in love with it, honestly. And yeah, so that's what I'm using as my blush. So now we're going to start on the eyes, and I'm going to zoom you guys in just a little bit because I know it gets blurry sometimes, and homegirl's paranoid as fuck about this, okay? So be back zoomed in. So to start this look off, I mix these two colors. I mix these two colors right there, and I just use a fluffy brush. Literally, it's a super simple look. I love it. For the next color that I'm going to use on it's just, that's it. It's this color right here. And I just put that all over the lid. And I just blend out the edges. Okay, so now that I have it where I like it, I think I should have grabbed my eye. It hurts. Okay, so I'm going to use this tiny little brush right here, and I'm going to put this brown, it's like a really dark brown, right here. And I'm going to just put that really tight in my waterline, like on my lash line, to kind of give the image that my eyelashes are bigger. And so I can't find my sharpener to sharpen my lip liner, so I'm just going to go ahead and straighten. I'm going to be using the liquid lipstick from Wet n Wild in color, what's the color? No, Give Me Mocha. This is one of my favorites. And I'm just going to apply that. But to finish the look, I just go in with highlight, and for my highlight, I obviously use the Anastasia Sun Dipped Glow Kit. And for the inner crease, I spray my brush first. And I go in Summer, and I add that in the inner corner. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.